Question 9. To find 3fg, it means 3 multiplied by 8 and negative 3. 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times negative 3 equals negative 9. The answer is 24 and negative 9. Fg plus gh. Fg equals 8 and negative 3 plus gh negative 12 and 35. By adding, 8 plus negative 12 is equal to negative 4. Negative 3 plus 35 equals 32. So the final answer is negative 4 and 32. The coordinate of the point G. To find the point G, we know that Fg is equal to G minus F. Fg equals 8 and negative 3 equals G. I don't know what is G. F is equal to 1 and negative 4. As you can see in the problem, F is given. To find the value of G, G equals 8 and negative 3 plus 1 and negative 4. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Negative 3 plus negative 4 equals negative 7. Question D. To find the magnitude of the vector GH. GH equal negative 12 and 35. Negative 12 and 35. To find the magnitude means the square root of negative 12 to the power 2 plus 35 to the power 2. Using calculator, square root negative 12 to the power 2 plus 35 to the power 2 equals 37. The magnitude of GH is 37. Thank you.